Hi everyone, I'm Stacy Reagan and I'm your instructor for this course. This course is a little bit different. It's called a co-requisite. So it works hand in hand with what's called your parent course, which is Math 143. Now you have a different instructor for the parent course this time. So what I've tried to do is I've tried to take her material and build your co-requisite course so that it mirrors the kinds of skills that you will need for her course. So what I've decided to do is leave everything open. It will have a due date on it so that it will close at a certain time and date, but you can work ahead if you want to. That's so that you will get the skills that you need to be able to work the problems that she may have in her course. So let's take a look at the course and talk just a little bit about what you see here. So the first thing that you're going to see, which is not in this course yet, is at the top, and it's going to be this course introduction video. So that's not been added to my course yet. Then you will see this official course entry quiz. You need to take this quiz or the rest of the course will not open up for you. This is your official entry into the course. And it says that you have until January 19th to take it, but that's what we call our census date. That just means you won't be dropped if you take it by then, but you will miss some assignments. Your syllabus is down below that, and it gives you the information about the course. It gives you the course description. You're going to see a table of contents over here on the side when you open it up. So your course information will be here. Then it gives the instructor information, which is me. It gives my name, my email address, my phone number. I'm actually on both campuses, so it's a really good idea to get in touch with me before you just come by my office because I might not be on that particular campus. This course is based really in Watauga, and I am typically in Watauga 3 days a week, but you have all of my information there. We can do a virtual office visit, and the link is right there if we need to, and that way you still have access to me. I also have texting set up so that you can text me, but keep in mind that I might not respond to you right away if you text me, especially if you're texting at 2 in the morning. I'm typically not awake at 2 in the morning, but I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. My office hours, which means I'm going to be in one of my offices, which may be in Watauga and it may be in Hudson, Monday through Friday from 11 to 1. Again, it's a really good idea to let me know if you're going to come by because teaching math is not my primary job duty. I'm the director for the Center for Teaching Excellence, and I am not always in my office. So get a hold of me and we will work together and I will get you straightened out. My preferred communication method is here. I would rather you send me things through your school email address. I cannot promise you I will see it if it doesn't come from your school email address. Typically they get stuck in spam folders if you're not through your school email address. I will try to post a video, maybe even here in this link, about how to use your school email. I do have one of those, just in case you don't know how to do that. I will respond to you just as soon as possible. I say here 24 to 48 hours. That just covers me in case we have a break, but I'm really good at responding to people. Your course outcomes are here. These are the things that you will be learning. And notice all of these say master foundational skills. That means that you will be looking at things, for instance, like reviewing fractions, because we all hate fractions and we've probably forgotten how to do them without a calculator. So that's the kind of thing that you'll be looking at. This is, again, a co-requisite, so if you're taking this course, you're taking Math 143 with it. This course does not have a textbook because you're using the textbook for Math 143. You can use the same calculator in this course that you use in the other one. You will need a My Open Math account, but what I've tried to do here is I'm trying to integrate it into this course so that you don't have to actually sign up for one. So keep that in mind as you go through there. I'll add some additional information about this if I can get that to work so that you won't have to sign up for it. Your course sequence is here. These are all your due dates. It gives all the things that you're going to have in the course. Notice that you have study skills. This course actually also works on things like how to take notes correctly, how to listen in class, how is math different from any other class, those kinds of things. The grading policies, this is, I'll try to have things graded within 24 hours, but this is also, this course is different in that it's a pass-fail course. So you have to make a passing grade of 70 or above to pass this course. I don't accept late work. You need to keep up with the work so that you'll do well in Math 143. So when the deadline has expired, that's just it. It's gone. I probably will drop a couple of grades. I haven't decided that yet. But you need to make sure that you are just keeping up with the work. You have multiple attempts on the homework, so that shouldn't be a problem. If you fail a test in Math 143, for this course to proceed, you will be required to either meet with me virtually or spend 1 hour in one of our tutoring centers. So you can do it on campus, you can do it virtually, you could do it with your instructor in Math 143, but regardless, if you fail a test in there, and I will communicate with that instructor, you will have to do this or you will be dropped from this course. We don't do makeup work in this course. Again, the whole purpose of this course is for you to do well in Math 143, so you have to stay on top of it. If you miss 3, I believe I put 3 in this one because of the timing. If you miss 3 assignments in a row, I'm going to drop you from the course. If you don't take the course entry quiz before the 10% point, which is the census date, I have to drop you from the course. So you're going to need to make sure that you stay on top of this. Again, with the withdrawal policy, if you miss 3 in a row, I'm going to drop you. This is the stuff directly from the catalog if you want to read it. I don't withdraw students from the course just because you're failing towards the end. I'm not one of those instructors that do that. If you earn your F, you get your F. And this last is just our non-discrimination statement. You can print this out if you want to, or you can print, a specific chapter if you want to, instead of, so you could hit Control P on a page and just print what was there instead of going through and printing the whole thing, because it's pretty long if you print the whole thing. So that's your syllabus. Notice I'll have things by date here so that you know when you're supposed to be working on it, but everything in here is going to have a due date on it, and it'll be beside it. And I haven't finished revising all the due dates yet, but this section's pretty well done. It'll have your objectives for the course, so it'll show you what you're supposed to be learning in that section. It'll have a study skills lesson, and it'll have a due date on it. It'll have a math lesson, which is interactive. It counts for a grade. All these things count for a grade, so you have to do all of them, and you have to complete them to get the grade. And then you will have your math homework, and it will take you, hopefully, to your My Open Math account. It'll tell you when it's due. It'll tell you how many points are possible on it. And it will have multiple attempts on it. For instance, this one is, fractions, just like I said that it would. But you'll be going through, and like I said, you'll have multiple attempts. You can print it out, all those good things with that. And I'll have a separate video about how this actually works. Your grades will simply be averaged together. Let me take you over to the grade book so you can see. Every single thing that we have in here will be included in your grade book. It will all be out of 100 points, and it will average it together. And remember, you have to have a 70 or greater to pass this course. Let's see, what else do you need to know about this course and about me? I do have, towards the end of the course, one of your math homeworks will be a final practice, and it will be homework that is based on your Math 143 class, so it will have problems on it to help you review for your final. And I purposely put it here a little bit before your final in Math 143 so that you can come see me, or you can see your instructor or a tutor. If you're not doing well on this, you're not going to do well on the final in Math 143. And I think that's everything that's there. Look around your course. You do have what's called a course dashboard that's here. Yours looks a little different than mine, but that's how you access your grade book. There's a quick mail there. So you'll be able to see, and you could go in through here and send send emails to people in your course or to me. Keep in mind that if you send it this way, it's going to your school email so that you would be able to check the response. You can't actually check the response from here. But I think that's all that we need to talk about here. Please contact me if you have questions. I'm very approachable and I want you to succeed. That's my primary job here, is for you to succeed.